Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 3 and 4 of exercise 8.2. Question number 3 says a shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2400 and sells them for a profit of 16%. Find the selling price of one article. There is one shopkeeper who buys 80 articles for rupees 2400. That is the cost price of 80 articles is rupees 2400. So let me write cost price of 80 articles is equal to rupees 2400 and sells them for the profit of 16%. Profit percentage they have given us, that is 16. Find the selling price of one article. We are supposed to find selling price of one article, but let me write SP of 80 articles first. Then if we get selling price of 80 articles, then we will divide it by 80, so we will get selling price of one article. Now selling price of 80 article, to find this I have discussed with you in introductory lecture that when to find selling price I have given you the formula regarding it. So let me show you first. To find selling price, see here it is profit, selling price and cost price. So if I want to find selling price, what I will get? Selling price is equal to profit plus cost price. This I am supposed to find out. So I don't have profit, I only have cost price. So first I will find profit, and to find profit I will need this formula. Profit is equal to profit percentage I have, cost price I have. So I will get profit from here, I will put here and I will get the answer. So I will write like this. Now profit is equal to profit percentage multiply by cost price whole divide by 100. And what is profit percentage? It is 16 into 2400 divided by 100. Two zeros will cancel out and I will multiply 24 into 16, that is 240, and 24 into 6. 6 4s are 24, 2 carry, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14. So my profit will be 384. This is how I have solved 384. Therefore profit is equal to rupees 384. And finally what I will do, I will put it in the formula. Therefore selling price of 80 articles is equal to profit, that is rupees 384 plus cost price. And what is cost price? Rupees 2400. So it will give me 2784. This is my selling price, but this is of 80 articles. Therefore SP of one article will be, one article is equal to rupees 2784 divided by 80. And how I will write? 2784 divided by 8 into 10 I will write, and then I will divide first 2784 by 8 and then put the decimal sign. For dividing that, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 4, 8 8s are 64. So it will go for 348. So my answer will be 348 divided by 10 is equal to 34.8 rupees. Therefore, selling price of one article is equal to rupees 34.80. This is our answer. Now let me write question number 4 for you. So question is in front of you, but before I start reading this question, let me tell you the concept of overhead expense. What is overhead expense, students? For example, I am the seller of the car. I am selling in my showroom. I am having the business of selling the car. I have bought the car for rupees 5 lakhs, suppose, and transportation charges I have paid, or some other laborer charges and all those things that cost me rupees 20,000 more. So now my cost will be cost price. New cost price will be 5,20,000. This 20,000 will be included in this, and that will be in my new cost price, and this is known as overhead expense. Same concept is needed for solving this question. Let me first read out. Question number 4 says the cost price of an article was rupees 15,400. Rupees 450 were spent on its repairs. It is sold for profit percent of 15%. Find the selling price of the article. Here also we want to find the selling price, so we will apply the same concept as of question number 3. But here the cost price will not be 15,500. It will be added 450 overhead expenses. So I will write like this. Cost price of the article is equal to rupees 15,500, and the repair expenses or the rupees spent on its repairs, that is overhead expense, is equal to rupees 450. Therefore, new cost price is equal to rupees 15,500 plus rupees 450, and that will give me rupees 15,950. Hope you have understood till this. Now we will follow the same procedure as we have done before. We will find profit. As they have given us profit percentage, we will find profit. Profit is equal to profit percentage multiply by CP, that is cost price, divide by 100. What is profit percentage? It is 15%. 15% multiply by 15,950 whole divide by 100. 0 will cancel out. 5 2s are 5 3s are. Now we will multiply this 1595 multiply by 3, 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 9 3s are 27, plus 1 28, 2 carry, 5 3s are 15, plus 2 17, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3 and 1 4. 4785 divide by 2, and that will give me 2 2s are 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4.5, that is 2392.5, that is 50 paise. This will be my profit. Let me take it to the next page. I will write down like this. Therefore, profit is equal to rupees 2392.50. Therefore, selling price is equal to profit plus cost price. And what is cost price? 15,950 in rupees. If I add them, 15,950 plus 2,392.50 paise, so I will get 18,342.5. 18,342.5. This is my selling price. Lastly, we will write therefore its selling price is rupees 18,342.50 paise. Hope you have understood these two questions. These questions are very much important, so please go through it thoroughly. Go through it 2 or 3 times so that you can understand properly. We will meet with new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.